Unveiling the magic of classic car restoration, a symphony of passion, history, and craft. The gleaming chrome and purring engine of a restored classic car captivate the eye, but the magic lies far deeper. It's a symphony of passion, history, and craft, each note meticulously played to weave a tale of preservation, artistry, and personal expression. Unearthing hidden stories, every classic car harbors a unique narrative. The restorer, akin to an archaeologist, meticulously examines the body, engine, and intricate details. Rust whispers of weather journeys, while worn parts hint at past adventures. This initial diagnosis lays the foundation for a restoration journey bespoke to each individual car. Disassembly unveils the car's bare bones. Each dismantled piece transforms into a puzzle piece, waiting to be meticulously restored or replaced. It's not just about separation, it's about understanding the car's soul, the rhythm of its mechanical heart. Breathing new life into steel, the bodywork phase witnesses the car's exterior metamorphosis. Skilled hands wield hammers and torches, coaxing out dents and imperfections. Rust, the relentless foe, is meticulously eradicated, its scars artfully disguised. Finally, a fresh coat of paint, meticulously chosen to echo the car's historic voice, becomes its new skin, gleaming under the light. The heartbeat of power, but the car's true spirit resides within its engine. Disassembly exposes a symphony of pistons, valves, and gears, each whispering stories of power and performance. Worn elements are meticulously replaced, tolerances measured with unwavering dedication. The rebuilt engine purrs back to life, a mechanical phoenix rising from the ashes, ready to pound with renewed vigor. Stepping back in time, interior restoration offers a portal to a bygone era. Seats are reupholstered in period-correct materials, their textures imbued with echoes of past passengers. The once faded and cracked dashboard undergoes a glorious revival, its gauges like time machines ready to tell new stories. Each stitch, each restored detail, whispers of forgotten journeys and cherished memories. Beyond the finish line, a labor of love's rewards. Restorers aren't just mechanics, they are artists, breathing new life into pieces of history. With each restored car, the story of automotive evolution continues, reminding us of the ingenuity and passion that fuel progress. A therapeutic journey, the methodical steps, the problem-solving, and the tangible progress offer a haven from the daily grind. As the car transforms, so does the restorer, cultivating patience, focus, and a deep sense of accomplishment. It's a journey of self-discovery, where the restored car becomes a reflection of the dedication and passion poured into its revival. For many, classic cars transcend mere machines, they become extensions of personality and history. Each restored car becomes a personal memoir, a tangible reminder of cherished experiences and a testament to a deep connection with the past. The restoration process becomes a bridge, connecting the restorer to their own history and creating a legacy for future generations. Forums buzz with advice, events showcase restored masterpieces, and workshops provide hands-on experience. This shared passion transcends borders and generations, creating a unique fellowship united by their love for vintage automobiles. Preserving the past, inspiring the future, classic car restoration isn't just about bringing a car back to life, it's about preserving history. Each restored car becomes a living testament to a bygone era, a reminder of the technological advancements and cultural shifts that shaped our world. It's a bridge between past and present, educating future generations about the evolution of automobiles and the innovations that pave the way for modern marvels. More than just cars. A story of rebirth. The 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO. The birth of a legend. In 1962, Ferrari unveiled the 250 GTO, a racing car designed to dominate the GT class. Featuring a 3.0-liter V12 engine producing 300 horsepower, the 250 GTO was distinguished by its lightweight chassis and aerodynamically efficient body, conquering the competition. Between 1962 and 1964, the 250 GTO achieved. Its notable achievements include triumphs in the 1963 and 1964 Tour de France automobile, as well as the 1964 24 Hours of Daytona. A chance for a second life. In the 1970s, after its racing career ended, the 1963 250 GTO with chassis number 3757 GT. Changing several owners, the car was partially disassembled and its body was covered in rust. Resurrection from the ashes. In 2000, the 250 GTO #3757 GT was acquired by a collector who entrusted its restoration to the GTO engineering workshop. The restoration process, which took 2 years, involved complete disassembly and cleaning of all components, restoration of the body using original materials and methods, repair and restoration of the engine, transmission, and chassis, painting in the original Rosso Corsa color. A Second Life 250 GTO #3757 GT was presented at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, where it won the Best in Show award. Since then, the car has participated in various exhibitions and events, becoming one of the most valuable and sought-after collector cars in the world. The story of the 250 GTO #3757 GT is a story of the rebirth of a legend. Thanks to the meticulous work of the restorers, this unique car has been given a second life, becoming not just a museum exhibit, but a living reminder of the golden age of motor racing.